The EPSON EX7200 Multimedia Projector brings together performance, practicality, and impressive color precision in one compact device. It's built for people who need versatility, perfect for business meetings, classrooms, and home entertainment. With its strong brightness, easy setup, and signature EPSON reliability, it's a projector that continues to stand out even years after its release. At first glance, the EX7200 delivers a clean and professional design. It's lightweight, compact, and designed to blend into any setup without demanding attention. The form factor makes it easy to move around, whether you're switching between conference rooms or setting up for a home movie night. Despite its portability, the build feels durable and capable of handling regular use. Brightness is one of its most impressive features. With 2,800 lumens of both color and white brightness, the projector performs well even in moderately lit environments. That means no need to darken the entire room to see clear visuals. Whether it's a slide deck, photo slideshow, or a film scene, every image looks vivid and defined. EPSON's 3 LCD projection technology enhances this effect, delivering richer colors and smoother gradients with zero rainbow effect, something that single-chip projectors often struggle with. The resolution is WXGA 1280 by 800, which offers a widescreen 16:10 format ideal for both business and entertainment. It delivers crisp text and clean visuals, making it great for PowerPoint presentations and HD videos alike. It's not a full HD projector, but for this category and price point, it strikes the right balance between clarity and performance. Setup is effortless. Automatic vertical keystone correction ensures that the image stays straight, even if the projector is not perfectly aligned. This is especially useful when setting up in new locations. The interface is intuitive and connectivity options are broad. HDMI, VGA, and USB inputs make it compatible with nearly every device you might use. One standout convenience feature is the USB plug-and-play function. You can connect your computer using a simple USB cable and instantly project your screen. No drivers, no delays. It's the type of feature that saves time in fast-paced work environments or classrooms. Sound quality from the built-in speaker is clear enough for small to medium rooms, though an external audio setup is always recommended for the best experience. The cooling fan is barely noticeable, maintaining a quiet atmosphere even during long sessions. Another major advantage of the EX7200 is its portability. Weighing only around 6 pounds, it's easy to pack and transport, and it even comes with a soft carrying case. This makes it a convenient choice for professionals who travel or anyone who needs a mobile presentation setup. Color performance is where EPSON continues to excel. The 3 LCD engine ensures color accuracy and brightness consistency, producing balanced tones and lifelike images. Whether it's a graph or a movie scene, the image looks natural, not overly saturated or faded. Lamp longevity is another strong point. The EX7200's lamp can last up to 5,000 hours in eco mode, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This efficiency helps cut down long-term costs while maintaining performance for years. Overall, the EPSON EX7200 is an all-around performer. It's not chasing flashy specs or gimmicks. It's built for people who want a reliable, bright, and easy-to-use projector that simply works. From business presentations to home movie nights, it adapts effortlessly and delivers consistent quality every time. For those searching for a dependable multimedia projector that combines portability, strong brightness, and great color accuracy, the EPSON EX7200 remains an excellent option. Its reliability, simplicity, and vibrant image quality make it one of the best choices in its class. If you're thinking about upgrading your projection setup or need a flexible device for both work and entertainment, check out the EPSON EX7200 Multimedia Projector, V11H367120. You'll find the purchase link in the description below.